Hey guys, it is Robin, the Lady Biker. How is everyone doing today? Oh, it is Wednesday, I think, and I needed to get out and run a few errands, so of course I had to find an excuse to get on the bike. So I thought while I was out and about, I would talk to you about the term, it's in the mail. Who knew? Alright guys, so it has finally turned out to be fairly pleasant here in the Central Coast of California. We got extremely hot for a couple of weeks, which made riding a challenge unless you got out very, very early or very late. And then we had the added challenge of the big wildfires up north of us, of where I live. And now mind you, we were out of the range of the fires, but the smoke was really bad. So as bad as it was here on the Central Coast, those that were up in the Bay Area, man, I feel sorry for them. That was a rough time. But, so I thought, it's a great day. I got to go run some errands. Let's get out and take the bikes and and talk with everyone here on YouTube. So, something happened earlier. It's about 2 weeks now. One of our daughters moved back home. All of her college courses went virtual. So there was no need for her to stay in a different state, and she decided that she wanted to come and live with us here in California for the semester while she did her classes. And it's been a challenge getting back into the rhythm of having kids at home, but it's also been a lot of fun. And the three of us were sitting around and we were just chatting about different things. One of them being, different things that we had ordered and when were they going to show up. And we talked about the first thing, and it was, it's in the mail. Okay, well, what about item number 2? And they're like, oh, no, that one's in the mail as well. It'll be here on this date. And it went on and on and on for like 5 or 6 items, and we realized the vast majority of our non-perishable goods we order online and have them shipped. Now, I remember growing up and hearing the term, oh, it's in the mail. The check's in the mail. But it kind of got us to giggling, and it made me think about how much, at least our family, now orders online. We don't often go into a store. If we need it, we sit down and we order it. So, everything from clothing to hair care and skin care. And then I even realized even my Harley parts. Since the lockdown, I added my luggage rack, changed out my seat, and did my highway packs. And all 3 of those I ordered online and had shipped to my house. So that's got me curious, guys. How many of you are like us and you buy the vast majority of your stuff online now? And how many of you maybe did it before the lockdown, and now you're just doing what you do? It's not that big of a change. And how many of you are hardcore, I've got to go in the store, see it, touch it, smell it, taste it? So anyway, guys, just wanted to hop on and share that giggle and that kind of crazy thought, in that in some ways, the more things change, the more things stay the same. Maybe a different vehicle, but it's still in the mail. So guys, go have a phenomenal day. I hope everyone's staying safe, especially those of you on the Gulf Coast who are about to be hit by Hurricane Laura. I hope that when this video gets aired, that it finds you safe and healthy, and your family and your home intact. So until later, guys, get out and ride. Have fun. Be safe. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Bye.